This is a review of Layer Origin's Pure HMO Prebiotic Powder. I began to do some stool testing on myself, and this past August did my first test, and I'm just going to pull out a couple of those results. The Bifidobacterium longum species was effectively zero on my first test. I proceeded to take a mixture of 5 different prebiotic fibers for a period of about 4 months. Did a second test and significant increase up to 1.6%. Then for 10 weeks, I added Layer Origin's Pure HMO prebiotic powder and went up to 2.6%. So very happy with that result, beginning to get some very strong B. longum in my gut. But if you no comparison then to the B. adolescentis results, starting in August, identical result, effectively zero. Same 4 months of the 5 prebiotic fibers, still effectively zero. But then 10 weeks of the pure HMO and went all the way up to 3.5%, which results in a 14,000% increase in only 10 weeks. So needless to say, very happy with that result. And that's important, not only to have a lot more bifidobacterium in your gut for a lot of reasons, but the B. adolescentis species works in wonderful synergy with F. prausnitzi. So the adolescentis produces one of the short-chain fatty acids, acetate, which is good to have in your system, but the F. prausnitzi consumes the acetate and produces a lot more butyrate. And that is good not only because you want more F. prausnitzi, because the microbiome research believes it's probably the number one producer of butyrate. And also that butyrate, again, according to research, is probably the king of the short chain fatty acids, at least as far as current research says. So you want more of all of these to get a lot more butyrate F. prausnitzi. So my result was with the adolescentis going so high, it had still a good effect on the F. prausnitzi. My first test wasn't horrible levels there, but then after the 4 months of prebiotic fibers, almost doubled, and then 10 weeks on the pure HMO to almost 11%. So I am very happy with these results, and I will continue to take the pure HMO prebiotic powder from Layer Origin, and I'm going to monitor the results going forward.